Hello everyone. Tonight I'll be reading you a Busan folk tale. Shall we begin? The Golden Fish, Geumjeongsan's Geumsaem. In Busan, there is a big mountain. Tall, tall, incredibly tall. Big, big, so very big. Its name is Geumjeongsan. Geumjeongsan is very old, so ancient. It's been there since long before your grandfather's grandfather's grandfather was born. Its trees are green, and its rocks are strong. It is close to the sky. Every day, the clouds give the mountain a big hug. People loved the mountain, and the mountain loved people. Wow, what a magnificent mountain! It's a beautiful mountain. A mountain sparkling under the sunlight. A mountain where the wind sings. But at the very top of Geumjeongsan, there is a very, very special place. People call it Geumsaem, Golden Spring. Geumsaem is a small spring. It rests gently atop a rock, where golden water shimmers and bubbles up. Sparkle, sparkle, like gold. It's so mysterious. When sunlight touches it, the spring glows golden. A long, long time ago, a rainbow-colored cloud came down from the sky. On that cloud was a golden fish. The fish had shimmering golden scales, round and beautiful. The golden fish rode the cloud down to the very top of Geumjeongsan. It leapt into Geumsaem. Splash, plop, plop, splash, splash, shimmer, shimmer. The fish happily swam in the spring. The golden fish made the spring shine even more. I like it here. This spring is warm and clear. People were amazed when they saw the fish. That fish must have come from the sky. A golden fish is swimming. The golden fish protected the people, and the people protected Geumsaem. It is said that if the spring runs dry, a great disaster will come. So people prayed before the spring, remembering the golden fish. The name Geumjeongsan means mountain with a golden spring. At the foot of the mountain, they built a temple and named it Pomosa, meaning Temple of the Heavenly Fish. Geumjeongsan also has the largest mountain fortress in Korea. There is even a cable car. Let's go visit our Geumjeongsan. Let's call for the golden fish. Hello, Geumsaem. Golden fish, are you having fun? The golden fish is smiling. Did you enjoy the story? Let's dim the lights. Sweet dreams. Beautiful. Big. Pray. Plop. Splash. Sky. Sparkle. Sunlight. Tree. Temple. foot, foot. Spring, spring.